Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Today's video, I want to answer some of the questions raised by the audience. I love, everybody's comments, questions, and I try my best to answer all of the questions if you leave, under the comment section of each video. He asked about the lavender hydrosol because we use a flower, and he asked, can we use a leaf? It's a good question. For different herbs, we use different parts. Some herbs, we can use more parts than the others. But for lavender, we use the buds because the buds contains more the essential oil, and you can make a more concentrated hydrosol by using the leaves. So if you want to have a better hydrosol, better quality hydrosol, you want to use the right part of the herb. If you have an interest knowing which parts of the herb should be used to the extraction, I wrote a book about tinctures of 48 different beneficial herbs. One of the part in each chapter is talking about which parts they're used for the extraction and when do you harvest them to make the best product. And now I have the free sample book. It has 2 chapters out of the 48. And you can just download it and read it. Get a sense about the book, and also the actual full book is on sale now. The next question is, he asked, can you tell us what the hydrosol is used for? Actually, this question be answered by another audience. Thank you. He said you can use it for cosmetics, handmade soap, shampoo, lotion, creams, and you can make toners, you can make air freshener, car freshener, floor freshener, and you can intake some small amount of diluted hydrosol with water, and you can use as a natural pesticide. This is 100% correct.